Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jamie Swan and this is my channel based on everything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, that kind of thing. So today I have a really fun video for you guys, what is on my iPhone. So I get a lot of questions on the apps I use primarily for editing and for my Instagram and stuff like that. So I thought I would go through and show you guys all the apps I have on my phone. And then I recently got a few new phone cases for my phone. And they're so pretty, you guys. I'm so happy with them. I thought I would combine the two and show you guys kind of what is on my phone apps wise and what is on my phone like physically for a case. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's on my iPhone, then stay tuned for the rest of this video. Okay, so first of all, I thought we would talk about these cases. Oh my gosh, you guys. My first impression when I got these in the mail was, holy crap, this packaging is gorgeous. So it comes in this black box and it has all their social media handles on the back here. And so when you open it up, it comes with like this little card. And then it has their hashtag stuff on the back, so that's really cute. Wrapped in tissue paper. I was just so blown away by the packaging of these cases. And then so they're tissue paper with their branded logo. And then this is one of the cases that I got. This is one that I'm currently using on my phone, but I just took it off so I could show you guys. Here. So gray and black Carrara marble, because I'm obsessed, you guys, obsessed. So I'm really loving this one. And then the next one that I got was you guys know that I'm like gray, black, white. So these ones are very like plain and white because I'm obsessed with white. So this one's sort of like a snakeskin or crocodile skin kind of pattern. And then it has their logo, their name down here. And some of them have their logo, some of them have their name anyways, but I'm also just completely in love with this one. And then the next one I got has a little bit more of a pop of color. So I'll show you guys that one. So this is the one that I was using on my phone before I switched to the Carrara marble one. And so this one has their little logo and then their name right there. And this one, I just love the blue and it is so pretty. So I wore these on my phone. This is why I'm excited to tell you guys about these. I had been using this one on my phone and I just tossed my phone in my purse and stuff like that. So sometimes I've ordered cases from various brands and the pattern will wear off. And so I'm like, I'm going to test these out and make sure, because they're so, like, they're really shiny. They look really nice. I just wanted to make sure that they could, like, withstand being thrown around in my purse and stuff like that. And they have. They haven't scratched. They haven't worn, especially with it being a dark case. So that is why I'm super excited to tell you guys about these cases. So if you guys are wanting to check more of these cases out, you can go to burga.com and I will put the link, to their website in the description box below, as well as the specific direct links to the 3 cases that I ordered if you guys are interested in checking them out. I also do have a promo code for you guys, so stay tuned to the end of this video and I will give you guys that promo code where you guys can save if you do decide to shop. Okay, so now let's dive into the whole kind of app side of this video and show you guys the apps that I have on my phone. And then I'm also going to show you guys how I get my background screen and my wallpaper on like the face of my phone to match the case of my phone, because then it just looks so pretty when you have the front and the back all matching. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my apps and how to do that. Okay, so before we get into this video of what is on my iPhone, please disregard all the notification little bubbles because I know I'm going to get flack for that. And I've sat down to do this video like 3 times and every time I'm like, hey, I'm going to do it without notifications on my phone. And then 2 hours later, I'm sitting there and notifications are just coming in. And so I'm just going to do it. It's impossible to stay on top of notifications. So I have these are all the basic apps that come on your phone. I have an Apple Watch, so that is my activity, which is really good for keeping me on track. You guys, I could do a whole separate video on this. Like, this really keeps me accountable for my, like, at least having a 30-minute exercise every day. I really, really love my Apple Watch. I should. If you guys want to see a video strictly on Apple Watch, on my Apple Watch, let me know, because I would love to do that. And then this is my pillow app, and it's to track my sleep on my watch, which I haven't really figured it out yet. And then App Store, Health, Music. Then I have my wallet. I have all the apps that I don't use that came on my phone in extras. Productivity. It's like files, pages, keynotes, and I don't use those very often, so I just put them in a file. And then my next page here is this is a busy page. This is stuff that I use all the time. So podcasts, iMovie, that is what I edit all of my videos on. Unfold, this is really cool. This is how I create stories. I'll show you guys. And if you want to see a whole separate video on this, let me know. So this is how I make my stories look like I do. If you guys follow me on Instagram and have wondered how I get these white borders and collages and things, it is with this app. And so it's called Unfold. And then Instagram, probably my highest used, one of my highest used apps. I love Instagram. It's my favorite. Followers, that's an app so you can see who follows you on Instagram, unfollows you, people who comment and like, stuff like that. So that's how you can keep track of your Instagram. Snapchat, this is a question that I have for you guys. Do you love Snapchat more or Instagram stories? Because I am more Instagram stories, and I'm actually debating if I should just get rid of Snapchat, because whenever I get messages on there, I kind of feel overwhelmed because of this situation over here. I already have so many messages on other social media platforms that I think I might delete it. But let me know what you guys think of Snapchat, if you love it or if you prefer Instagram stories. Then my Facebook, and then my Pages app, which is so, like, I've checked all those, but you have to check them separately on the Facebook page app too, which is sort of annoying, but it has some perks to it that help me work on my business page from my phone. Then Pinterest, I love Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest, probably most of you do. If you're a female, you have Pinterest. My place for all of my vision boards, saved boards. So I have like baby things, Halloween makeup, makeup ideas, pumpkin carving ideas, fashion, kitchen, wall hangings, bedroom decor, boys' room, living room. You get the point. I love Pinterest. And then my YouTube is obviously another really, it's probably my second most used app. And then I have this YT or YouTube Studios, and that is what I use to edit videos. So if I wanted to edit like this thumbnail, I can click this on this video and then I can edit thumbnail, and that's basically what I use this for. Change it, and then I can go into my photos and put the thumbnail that I want for that video, and that's basically all I use this for. Sometimes I'll edit the description and stuff like that in this video, and then I can make it go public if I'm on the go, if I'm not by my computer. So I love this app, YouTube Studios, if you guys don't have it. And then TubeBuddy, I'm not actually sure what I have that for. Influencer app, I don't use that as much anymore, but if you guys don't know about Influencer and you are new to and you're wanting to kind of be more in the influencer kind of realm, this is a good place to start, because you just give product reviews on products, and then if you give enough reviews, they'll send you products to review, and if you complete the tasks, they send you more stuff, so that's kind of cool. This is TaxBot. That is what I'm trying to use for my income tax, to keep everything sorted and whatnot, and for home-based businesses, that's really good. Point of sale, that's my Square. reader, so that is how I take like credit card payments and debit card payments. Bitly is an app that I use, like if I want to post a link to something and the link is really long, you can put it in Bitly and it will shorten it to a really nice, pretty looking link so it's not a mile long. These are all of my very highly used apps in here. So these are all my photo editing apps. Yeah, there's WordSwag. That is what I use to write on my pictures, write on my YouTube thumbnails. Layout for collage. Fonto, that's sometimes how I make my thumbnails for Instagram. Visco, I don't use that anymore. I could just delete that. Facetune is what I use sometimes if I need to whiten some things on a picture. Canva I barely use anymore, but it's good if you need to like create an ad or something like that, or something for your stories or something. Snapseed, I really love Snapseed, and I have a video on that I will link up in the top corner that you guys can check that out. Lightroom is also a new app that I started using that I edit my Instagram photos with. Is a awesome app for planning your Instagram feed. I'll just show you really quickly. So these ones with the little Instagram logo are the ones that have already been posted on my Instagram. And then these are ones that I am planning to post. And so you can just kind of lay them out and you can move the ones around that haven't been posted yet to see like what's gonna look best and how the layout, if the layout is all like cohesive and whatnot. If you guys want to check out my Instagram video, how to grow your Instagram to 5K fast, I will link that up in the right hand corner as well, so you guys can check that out, because I talk a little bit more about and Snapseed in there. This is my makeup website, and I just have that saved for really quick reference. Paylutions is how I get paid from my makeup sales. That is my bank to do all my online banking. And then I have my kid apps here. So these are all apps to keep my kids busy while we're in public. Chrome, because I really like that. Flight Hub, you can get cheap sales with that app. And then there is this Design Home. If you guys have not tried this, it's a game. It's an interior decorating game. If you haven't tried it, just don't download it, because it will take over your life. And then Dropbox, and then I have my pregnancy app because I am pregnant right now, so that's just tracking my weeks. This is for my kids' school, Hangouts, a QR reader, Google Home because I have a Google like a speaker or whatever, so I use that for my shopping list, because then I can just say, hey Google, put butter on the list, and she'll put it on the list, and then I can just check that while I'm shopping. It's really handy. Google Photos, don't really use. Here's my shopping filter. I just keep all my shopping apps in there. Eventbrite, if I get tickets online, and then I have Hoopla and Libby, which are online like library stores for my local library. They're really sweet too, if you guys don't have them. And then here, I pretty much don't use any of these apps, and they could all go like, but I have to keep the Bitmoji one on there if I want to do whatever, put a little Bitmoji in a text or whatever. So that is everything that is on my phone for apps. And then I wanted to show you guys the how I change my background to match my phone case. So what I do is I take the phone case off, and or before I put it on, I take a picture of it. So you can see in my photos, I have the picture right here. And then all I do is just crop it down if there's any stuff on the outside, and it'll straighten it and everything like that. So it just looks strictly like this. And I put the little Burga logo on the bottom because I thought that was really cute. And then you just go down here, click this, and then you can use as wallpaper. So you click that, and perspective just makes it so like when you move your phone, it moves with. So I really like that. So I do perspective instead of still. Click set, and then I set to both home screen and lock screen. And then every time I change my phone case, that is what I do. I take a picture of the back of the phone case, and then set it as my background for my phone and my screensaver. So what did you guys think of that video? If you guys did like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button as well as the little bell so you guys get notified when I upload new videos, because I upload weekly. And for anyone who is wanting to order one of these Burga cases, I will link the discount code in the description below, but it's JamieSwan15. So if you guys order from burga.com, you guys can use the code. You guys will save 15% on your order. And because I know everybody is going to ask, because every time I wear a dark lipstick, everyone always wants to know the color. So the color that I'm wearing on my lips is the Kat Von D, what is this? Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Vampira. Such a nice color. I'm digging it. You guys know I love the dark colors. So yeah, that's everything that I had to share with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.